Hi everyone, this is a direction video to help you respond to this mastery check, chapters 1 through 3 for the outsiders. The directions here say, make an inference about each passage. Use those inferences to draw a conclusion about the conflict. Be sure to include details from the passages to support that conclusion. So you can see that there are 3 columns. The first column has passages, and there are 3 passages for this mastery check. For each passage, read them one at a time, and then you will make your inference based on that passage. Once you've completed all 3 of these inferences using the sentence frames to help guide you, you will then come to the 3rd column and draw a conclusion. And you will use this sentence frame. I conclude that the conflict is blank. In this first blank, you will use which type of conflict, internal or external. If you choose external, you'll want to use either man versus self, man versus man, etc. to explain what type of external conflict it is. And then it says because, and this is where you use supporting details from both your inferences and your passages to help you support that conclusion that you drew. Let your teacher know if you have any questions, and remember to look for the feedback when your mastery check is returned.